Connect to the UTP interface. Enter the cable tester APP. Cable status and length results will be displayed in seconds. Connect to the cable tracer's UTP interface. Test the wiring status of the network cable. Cable tracing test. Newly upgraded Type-C charging port. Accurate cable tracing without false alarms. RJ45TDR test. The other end of the cable is not connected to any other devices. Test cable status, length, and attenuation. The other end of the cable is connected to the device. Can test reflectivity, impedance, and skew. Cable length. Measure cable lengths, break points, and short circuits. Port flashing test. The device sends a signal. Make the Ethernet switch port connected to the tester blink at a certain frequency. Quickly locate the switch port. IP discovery. Can search the entire network segment for the IP address of IP cameras or other devices connected to the tester. IP scanning. Used to quickly find the IP address of IP cameras or other devices connected to the tester. Supports scanning MAC addresses and camera manufacturers. Gigabit ping test. For testing whether communication with the network target device is available. Check if the device is working. The IP address is set correctly. Can also change the number of packets sent. Routing trace test. Enter the remote host IP to perform router tracing. Switch port detection. Used to detect the main capabilities of switches and other devices. Management address, device identifier, interface identifier. DMM testing. Connect to the corresponding jack. The multimeter will automatically adjust the range according to the input signal or the range of the component being tested. Support for saving and creating test report files in PDF format for export. VFL test. Connect to the VFL interface. Lighting mode. Red laser emits stably. Evasive 1HZ or evasive to HZ. Enter pulse light emitting mode. Time settings. CAM. Select the timing off time. OPM testing. Select the corresponding wavelength. Insert the optical fiber to get the result directly. Can lock the displayed content. Click Difference to store the current value, and then display the difference between the new measured value and this value. If the measured value error is large, it can be recalibrated.